Welcome to this class. Today we are going to learn how to use the word as a preposition, right? Okay, so to show you the way to use as a preposition, we have to take an example, right? So look, we meant it as a joke. Look here. Here, what is the parts of piece of this as? Look, after as, we are getting a noun phrase, right? A noun phrase. So, what is the structure of noun phrase? Noun phrase, the structure of noun phrase like this: determiner plus noun. So, here determiner is a and joke is noun, right? So, this is noun phrase. So every preposition must have an object after it. So a joke is the object of as. So that is why we can easily say that this as is a preposition. As a preposition, it is interlinking the noun it and joke. Noun, preposition, noun, right? Okay, let us take another example so that you can have clear knowledge. Look, it could be used as evidence. Look, after as we are getting a noun, right? So every preposition must have an object which is noun or noun phrase. So we are getting as noun. So this as is a preposition, right? Look, against him. So this as is making relationship between verb and noun. We know that preposition can make relationship between noun to noun or verb to noun. Look, against him. Here against is also a preposition because it has object which is him, and it is making relationship between two noun. One is him and another is evidence. Actually this him is a pronoun. I hope, believe and expect that you have learned something, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.